Example 1. Finding measures of arcs and inscribed angles. Find the measure of the blue arc or angle. When we're working with inscribed angles, the best place to start is with our formula. Angle equals half of the arc. So let's take a look at the first circle we have here. And we can see that we have a right angle. And I'm just going to go ahead and label this 90 degrees just so we're really clear on that. And we need to find the blue arc. So we need to find the measure of arc STQ. STQ. Now remember, angle equals half of the arc. So the angle equals 90. And we can put it into a little formula. So 90 equals half of the arc that we don't know. So if we're solving for the arc that we don't know, we can multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 1/2. And 2 times 90 is 180. So the arc is 180 degrees. So we can say that the measure of arc STQ equals 180 degrees. Whoops. There we go. It's also interesting to notice here that if we were to connect S to Q, it would create if I were to connect S to Q in a straight line, it would create a straight line, and that straight line would go through the center of the circle. So SQ would be the diameter of the circle because it's cutting the circle into 2 separate parts. Because a circle is 360 degrees, so we know that this half here is 180, and this half here would also be 180. It's just pretty interesting. But that's just an extra piece of info. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next example, the middle circle. So once again, we have the angle equals half of the arc formula. We know the angle is 115 equals half of the arc. So now we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 1/2. 2 times 115 equals the arc. And then 2 times 115 is 230 equals the arc. So the arc is 230 degrees. So we can say that the measure of arc ZWX equals 230 degrees. And then finally, we have our last example here with our circle and our inscribed angle, and we have that formula angle equals half of the arc. But notice in this case, we're not given the angle, we're given the arc measure. So the arc measure here is 100, and we can see that it's up here near the arc. So the angle equals half of 100, which is 50. So now we can see that the measure of angle NMN equals 50 degrees. So remember that formula, angle equals half of the arc.